Hello, this is a simple video to show how you can make short, simple videos for your lessons, lectures using the free software called Screencast-O-Matic. You can see the address right here and you can sign up for it. You have to create an account and it's free. And the best way to do it is through your Google account and you can set it up that way. So that's what I'm showing you here. So I go log in with my Google account and then I have already an account set up, and so I have some recording videos done, so it's showing up you here. And when you do that, you will see a similar screen, and this is where you start. It'll say launch recorder or free recorder, and that'll help enable you to record whatever you want on the screen. So it'll record everything that's on the screen. For example, I did a PowerPoint to show this, and this is part of my PowerPoint slide, and it is recording and videoing what is on the screen and my narration as well. So once you do that, it'll show this screen where you have to open this link, or you click on this link. That is how the screen recorder application will be there for you to use. So then once you click on that, this is what will show up here. And you can see this red button here, which is the recording button. So when you're ready, and if you don't need a script, you can just talk, or if you're someone who prefers to write down, have your script ready before you click this button. So once you're ready, click this button, and then it'll give you like 3 seconds, and it'll show you this screen, and you can start recording whatever you want to record. And then once you've finished, this is how it'll look like. You have to pause it, and then it'll show up like this, and you can click done. Once you do that, it's going to ask you how you would like to save it or upload it. So you don't want to, if you don't, I don't edit the videos because it's for my students and myself. I want to save it so I can use it for other times. So I usually click save upload. And once you do that, it's going to give you several options. You can save it as an MP4 video file, or you can upload it to the Screencast-O-Matic website itself. I prefer to do it to YouTube, which is connected to my Gmail account, because YouTube allows you to edit the captions, because we do have to be ADA compliant. So I usually save it to YouTube, and after 5-10 minutes, your video will be on your YouTube channel, which is all linked to your Gmail account, and then you can go edit your captions. But if you don't want to do all that for this purpose in where we are right now, you can simply save it as a video file, or you can upload it to the Screencast-O-Matic. It'll give you a link, and you can send that link to the students. So whatever way works for you, these are your options to save and then send the link to your students. So you can save it on YouTube, send the link. You can save it on Screencast-O-Matic itself and send them the link, or you can save it as an MP or video file and send that file to your students. Sometimes that kind of have his own problem because students may not be able to download it, but if you send a link, it works without any issue. So that is how you do your videos every time for lesson instructional videos. You can make short 5-minute, 10-minute, general principle not to keep it more than 5 to 7 minutes. So that's about it.